students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Today in this video, we are going to see the video related to GSEB solution for class 7 mathematics, chapter 2 fractions and decimal, exercise 2.1, question 5 to 8. So let's see question 5. Find the parameters of a triangle ABE, B the rectangle BCDE in this given figure, whose parameter is greater. So let's see the solution. Parameter of triangle ABE, sum of the lengths of the three sides. So three sides length we will add. Here we have to first convert that into mixed fraction to simple fraction. We will convert that into simple fraction and we will do the needful. Then we will take the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. Then we will make the denominators equal and then we will add it. So 50 plus 55 plus 72, it is 177 upon 20 centimeter, or we can say 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter. So triangle AB is 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter. Second, the parameter of rectangle, that is BCDE. So the formula is 2L plus B. So 2 into 2 upon 2 and 3 by 4 plus 7 upon 6. So we will first convert into simple fraction. So 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Then we will take the LCM of 4 and 6, that is 12. And then we will convert into denominators equally. And then we will get the parameter as 7 and 5 upon 6. So the parameter of triangle was 8 and 17 upon 20. And parameter of rectangle is 7 and 5 upon 6. So parameter of triangle ABE is greater than the parameter of triangle BCDE. Sixth question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So picture width of the picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter. The frame is 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter. The picture has to be fit in the frame, so the width of the picture to be trimmed. So 7 and 3 by 5 minus 7 and 3 by 10. So convert into simple fraction, 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10 centimeter. We will convert the denominator into equal. So we will take 5 and 10 LCM, that is 10. So we will make it same, 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. We will subtract 76 minus 73 upon 10. So 76 minus 73 is 3 upon 10 centimeter. The picture should be trimmed in width by 3 and 10 centimeter. Next, Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share? By how much? So Ritu ate 3 by 5. Somu ate the remaining part, that is 1 minus 3 by 5 is 2 by 5 part. Okay, so 3 by 5 is more than 2 by 5. So Ritu ate larger part. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, that is 1 by 5. So Ritu ate 1 by 5 part of apple more than Somu. Next, Manoj finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So Manoj colored the picture in 7 upon 12 hours. Weber colored the picture in 3 upon 4 hours. So 3 into 3 upon 4 into 3, we will make the denominator equal. So Weber will color the picture in 9 by 12 hours. So 9 by 12 hours is more than 7.12 hours. So Weber worked longer than Manoj. So Weber worked 1 by 6 hours longer than Manoj. So this was the video related to the chapter 2 of class 7. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.